So yeah, just to reiterate, to get to start a React project, we're going to open up iTerm. Then you're going to cd into where you want this project to live. So for me, I have a DPL demo folder, and inside of there, I have a week 1 folder. And I want to like create this project inside of this folder. Cool. So now I do a yarn create React app. And now I'm going to come up with a project name for this. I'm going to call this like React Review. And now that's creating.
Cool. Just one question. Are we following along?
Yeah, you can try to follow along.
Okay.
I'm going to go a little faster though. And then, okay, so now what I'm going to do, I can even do that while this is running, is I'm going to go create a GitHub repo for this. So I'm just going to do a new repository, give it a name. I think it's good to maybe, match that name. React Review. I just like to append, what cohort I'm in. Create repository. And just, get this or get this remote link. So I copy that. All right. So now that that's done running, if I do an ls, I can now see, my React Review project has been created in this week 1. I can cd into that project. I can go ahead, add that remote right now. Looks like I didn't copy it. Go back to GitHub, copy the remote link. Why is that not showing up? Let's try this one more time. Okay, there it is. And then, one thing I could do right away, and I'll throw this in Slack too, is if I do a git status, just to look, there's nothing on master, but I could just do an initial like add and commit. So there's like a lot of files that are here that React has created for me. So I could just do an initial commit and an initial push to origin master. So do a git add dot git commit -m. And then if I check, my repo and do a refresh, like it has the my repo. And that's a good to do that, when you're starting your homework, because then you just have it, you have that set up. And then I could open this up in code. There's that. And then I could run yarn start.
So if you, that's how to, start the new project. If I wanted to just go through and open the null project, you just navigate to that file in your terminal and then just do the same thing, React yarn start, and it will pull up that same project.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm going to stop
When you're
this.
done working,